to learn how to dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. I just want to take a quick moment to say thank you for all the great comments I've been receiving lately. Thank you so much. So, today we're going to do the Orange Justice dance from the game Fortnite. Yeah, another Fortnite emo dance tutorial. But a lot of you have been requesting it, so here you go. And thanks John for being the first one to request it. Just a quick note, this Orange Justice dance is really difficult. I think it's more because it's not supposed to be a dance that you choreograph and teach to others, but it's more like a freestyle where you just let loose and go crazy. But we're going to try to cover as many details as possible for the ones that are interested, and then I can also show you a more simple version. Okay, so let's start with the arms. I'm just gonna swing from side to side, just so you remember which side it is. And then we'll take the lower part and details afterwards. Okay, so arms are saying prepare, and then cross to the left, here. And then we go and down to the right. And then we open to the left. Again down to the right. And clap, lean to the left. Again slow, 7, 8. Cross, and down, and open, and down, and clap. So the clap is not up here, it's somewhere here, in front of your base-ish. Again, from the top to the left, 7, 8, we go and cross, and down, and open, and down, and clap. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, down, open, down, clap. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, down, open, down, clap. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so for the lower part, you want to exaggerate this move as much as possible, shooting your hip from side to side, starting to the left, and then you also bend your knees a bit. And this is really difficult to do slow, so it's much easier just to do fast. But let's try to do it slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you want to keep it simple, you can stop there and just keep repeating that. I've seen a tutorial on YouTube that has just this part, and that's it. But if you want to do more than that, then let's continue. Okay, so we've said here, down, open, down, clap. Now let's just do the next part, just the arms. From here, you want to go down, cross, around, and open. Yeah? So from cross here, I take my arms up here. Whoop. Open. Yeah, so let's just do that again, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, cross, around, open. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so your lower body for the next part, you end it here. You want to swing to this side, back again. Now you want to do a bit more to prepare for the next one, which is that out. So again, we go from here. I'm going to go 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, prepare and step. And when they go down, they bend the knees, so this right knee is pointing to the front. But I would say if this is too difficult for you, an easier version would be to just turn your knee down here, because then it wouldn't be too much pressure on your joints as opposed to this one. And the right leg is just saying step out here. Yeah, so facing somewhere here. So again, starting from here, going to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now with the arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go again from the tip top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Okay, so the next part, let's just do the arms and try to lean from side to side. So from here, you want to go and down and hold. Yeah, like you're holding something. From here, you want to go up and around and cross. So again, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down and hold, around and cross. Okay, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, hold, round, cross. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, hold, around and cross. Okay, the legs. So if you want to get the details, they take 3 steps. From here, you just took 1 step, take another step, take another step, and then you just move to the side. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down and hold, round, cross. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, hold, around, cross. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, hold, round, cross. Okay, let's take it from the tip to the top. So we're starting here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Passing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew. This is quite a workout. Hang in there. Okay, so for the next and last part, let's do the arms. So from here, you want to go and down and open, and then here cross. The last part is kind of weird. I think it's because they just wanted to make it as a loop, so they did double speed on the last part, which is they say open, close, and 1. Yeah. So the other ones were 1, 2, 3, 4, but the last one is 1, dun, 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 dun. So again, the arms slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the legs. Let's just do legs and arms. We were here, still down here, still down here.
but now we're trying to get back up. So we say up and up. Okay, so from here, 7, 8, you wanna go here and open, and then try to get it back up. So again, with the legs, you wanna go and down, open, cross, and up. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, open, up, and up. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, open, up, and up. All right, now the whole piece from the tip to top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Alright, that's it for this dance tutorial of the Orange Justice dance from the game Fortnite. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. It's super appreciated. And just so you know, there won't only be Fortnite dance tutorials. I will also post some of my regular basic stuff later on. Thank you.